Hello again, Handy Andy Handyman, and today we're out in Kennesaw reviewing a project for one of our real estate clients. And so what she's got going, she wants to put a gutter back here up on this upper fascia up here. And if you look closely into this gable right here, you can see where the last contractor didn't caulk and back prime the wood right through here. So this piece of fascia needs, this piece of trim needs to be replaced. And then from this corner back to this corner, this horizontal piece of fascia right there needs to be replaced as well. And then we'll install a 6-inch seamless aluminum gutter hung with hidden hanger screws. We'll run a downspout in this corner back over here, and it'll just drain down to this downspout here. So not a big project. We pretty much do everything. When the guys are out here, see the open butt joint right here and around this window, they'll clear caulk that for us so the water's not getting in. It looks like a limb or a ladder or something hit this gutter right here, so we can bend it back up. But this is 5-inch gutter, so it doesn't really handle as much water. We prefer 6-inch gutters. Anyway, we pretty much do everything. We work for lots of realtors and homeowners all over the metro Atlanta area. It's me, my brother, and 30 guys doing it all. Everything except air conditioning and swimming pool, although we will be adding air conditioning into our services in 2020. You can reach us at 770-912-2829, or sometimes you can catch me personally at 770-265-9017. Thanks, bye.